there's a lot of that perceived idea of being tough and not wanting to burden other people with your problems, and the idea of needing to be kind of the tough one around, and whether that being for sort of family members or partners or kids and that sort of thing. So often there's a big part around not wanting to show that vulnerability and needing to be tough and strong and not wanting to show that weakness. So I think because of that, as men, we often try to keep things to ourselves and tough it out, and sort of that she'll be all right kind of mindset of just getting through it and seeing how things go, and everything will be all right in the end. But one of the things that we do see with men and men's health is that often when they do present, they present later because they've let something sort of fester for a little bit longer. And for instance, with mental health problems, again, what we tend to see is that people present later and tend to have a more sort of grave situation when that happens. So often when we do see mental health problems in males, it tends to be a lot more severe, and it's a lot higher association with suicidality than in women, because people have let problems sort of become bigger and not sought the help at an earlier stage. So I think it's a vulnerability thing, and it's a thing about not wanting to appear weak and not wanting to discuss your problems and thinking I'll be able to sort this out myself, sort of thing. Probably a uniqueness regarding men's health is they are at increased risk of cardiac problems, so problems related to the heart, particularly as we get older throughout life, as well as being having a lower life expectancy and having a higher risk of dying at sort of each stage throughout their lifestyle as well. So things like the heart rate monitors, so things like your Garmin or your Apple Watches can monitor a lot of those things as well. And so good things to have are things like having a look at your sleep and how good that's been, and sleep quality. That can be a massive thing that can affect your mental health, and you can often see a really good correlation between your quality of sleep as well as how your levels of anxiety are and how you are physically as well, and your risk of injury. So there's a lot of apps around that to kind of monitor things and how you're going. And then other things to sort of prevent and help things. So there's lots of apps out there for sort of mental health. So things like Headspace and Calm, and these apps out there that help to sort of address the balance and give you a bit of time away from the busyness of life. And even just utilising those for 10 to 15 minutes a day can be really effective at kind of helping prevent any physical and mental problems that come about.